Welcome back to Intuit's Bookkeeping Certification Program. If you're watching this, then you're gearing up to start working through the last course of this certification. You've come a long way on your bookkeeping journey. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, I know you're a pro at this already, but just as a reminder, this course is broken down into 4 modules, and each module contains 3 to 4 lessons. Like before, in each lesson, you will find a variety of content, including things like advice from experts, demonstrations, hands-on practice activities, readings, knowledge checks, graded quizzes, and peer discussions. In your final course, Financial Statement Analysis, it's time to put your bookkeeping skills into action and learn how to analyze financial statements on a holistic level. Here you'll learn how to reconcile different types of accounts, check for accuracy, and troubleshoot errors. Additionally, you'll practice how to apply different analytical methods to key financial statements and understand how these methods inform a variety of business decisions, all preparing you for a final case study, which will put the skills you've acquired to the test. When you've completed this course, you'll add these final skills to your knowledge bank. Describe and illustrate the use of a bank reconciliation in controlling cash. Outline the purpose of financial statements in relationship to decision-making. Describe basic financial statement analytical methods. Apply quantitative skills to analyze business health. Like before, there are no prerequisites to participating in this course, but the items covered in this course builds on the knowledge and skills from previous content. Because of that, if you haven't already, I recommend that before taking this course you first complete Bookkeeping Basics, Assets in Accounting, Liabilities, and Equity in Accounting. As with all of these courses, you don't have to complete everything in one sitting. By now, you've probably found a method that works for you, but we recommend carving out 4 to 6 hours per week to review and complete the course material. Don't forget to find time to practice your new skills. Good luck and happy bookkeeping.